Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mint margarita food fusion. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the juice from 2 limes, which is roughly 1/4 cup. Don't forget 1 cup of ice and 1 cup of chilled soda water. For an extra kick, consider adding a small pinch of black salt. Now, let's get blending. First, add your fresh mint leaves, lime juice, and sugar into a blender. Next, toss in the 1 cup of ice. Blend everything together until it's smooth and has a slushy consistency. Make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly combined, which usually takes about 30 to 45 seconds. This step is crucial for that perfectly refreshing texture and balanced flavor. Once blended, it's time to serve your delightful mint margarita. Carefully pour the slushy mixture into your favorite serving glasses. Then, gently top each glass with the chilled soda water or sparkling water to add that wonderful fizz. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each drink with a fresh mint sprig and a thin slice of lime. Serve immediately to savor its refreshing coolness. Here are a few tips to elevate your mint margarita experience. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar and lime juice to perfectly match your taste. For an even colder drink, try chilling your serving glasses in the freezer for about 10 minutes before pouring. You can also experiment with different flavored soda waters for a unique twist. For a surprising kick, add a small piece of fresh ginger to the blender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.